Guys, it's Justice again here. Now what I want to show you is the last video we talk about ng switch and if condition statement, right? So now what we want to talk about is for loop in Angular 10, right? So let's get rid of this part because yeah, we don't need it anymore. And inside of a single chara, what we want to do is create an array of what charas. So create a mini array of charas, and let's see how we can loop through each of it, right? So blue, yellow, and sorry, green, right? So now if we try to execute this guy here, we want to print everything here in the browser, right? So if you try and execute this bad guy here, you will see, you will get what just print it out to you. Let's use strange interpretation to print it out, right? And we get white, red, blue, yellow, green. This is not what we want. Let's say we want to print everything in let's say we want to print everything in a separate layer. So the way we do that is to loop through it one by one with what for loop. So go into your for loop and we use the star ng for the for loop right here. So the for loop here, and then let the variable of what items, so color, right? So here simply means it's like we are creating an object of this color right here. This item here as an object of what its reference to its members in the variable. Okay, so now what we want to execute is this item here, and check this out. Bam, there we go. Each of it is what on a different line. That's perfectly what we want. And if you if you right click on it, you could see that all of it is on separate what paragraph. Oh, there we go. So white, red, blue, you can see they are all on what separate paragraph. That's how to use the for loop. So now I'll show you how you can loop through an array. So what if we have an object, right? An object right here. Instead of array, we have an object of array, something like this. Something like name equal to justice and age equal to 21. Alright, so let's create another object here. Copy, boom, another one, boom, name Joseph and age 61, and here Ben, right? And age 45, right? So how are we going to loop through this separate object within this array right here? The way we do that, using our exact name right here, we can use the let item of color equal to something like this guy right here. Okay, and because we have looped through it, now if we want to get the names, if we want to get only the names, we should what append the name to it only, right? We should do something like this dot name, and if we run it in the browser, we should get all the names in our browser. There we go. Justice, Joseph, Ben, pretty simple. So how do you, if you want to print the age, you just go bum bum bum, then we print the age. So let's print that one on a span tag. So item dot age, right? So there we go. Justice 21, Joseph 61, pen 45, exactly as it is here. So that's how to look through an object of array using the for loop, and I've also shown you how to use the for loop to look through an array. So pretty simple. See you in the next video, and thank you for watching.